move at the center. Good evening, candidate number one.
Good evening, Mr. Arnold.
Okay, how are you?
Well, I feel great because I made it to top 5 again.
Okay, thank you very much. Candidate number one, here's your question. What is your accomplishment you are most proud of and why? Ano ang nakamit mong tagumpay na pinagmamalaki mo at bakit?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Accomplishments or achievements in life are the fruits of our hard works and dedication. For me, my greatest accomplishment is that I was able to overcome my fears and as well as my insecurities. Before joining this pageant, I doubted myself if I can do it. But upon joining this pageant, here comes I realize that those insecurities made me ignite the spark of who I am today. No longer weak, no